Hi, today I'm for the HUAWEI P60 Pro and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I'll just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here on the lock screen of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner option, the fingerprint unlock method works here fast and correct, and I just without any problems unlock the device successfully. To unlock the device, you should hold for a while the fingerprint scanner because it was the simple touches, you have no chance to unlock your device successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.